Hello, everybody, and welcome back. If you want to schedule emails in your Gmail app, in this video, we are going to provide you a step by step guide. So let's get started without any delay. Open up the Gmail app, and once you open it up, you can directly tap on the Compose option in the bottom right to start a new email. So you can just go over and do so. And once it is done, you can draft your email. You can add recipients, a subject, and your message as usual. And once you do so, what you can do is instead of hitting the send option in the top right corner, you can tap on the more icon in the top. And from there, basically select this option of schedule send, the first option. And after that is done, a menu appears. You can select a suggested time such as tomorrow morning, afternoon, Monday morning, etc. But if you want to customize it, you can select this option of pick date and time. After that is done, you can set it to specific date and time. You can select up your date here. For example, I would like to send this Saturday. I'm gonna choose that, and you can tap on OK. And you can set up a time as well. You can set up what time you would like to send it and tap on OK. After that is done, you just need to tap on this option called Schedule Send, and you need to have a recipient added. You can do so and even complete the composition of your email. And once it is completed, you can tap on the send icon and basically schedule your email in the Gmail application that way. And that's it. Usually, that is how you do it. You may follow up these steps in order to do so. So, we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.